Top Stories is brought to you by Dawakhana, Gandhinagar, Jammu. Pakistani troops fired rockets on Indian Army positions on Tuesday on the line of control in Jammu and Kashmir's Poonch district. An official said that Pakistan Army, in violation of ceasefire, attacked Indian Army's post in Salotri and Gulpur area of Poonch. The rockets aimed at the army camp in Jula's area of the Krishna Ghati sector were fired around 10:30 am, but did not cause any damage. However, there was no immediate report of any loss of life or injury. Indian troops did not retaliate to the deliberate provocation to avoid civilian casualties across the border. Security forces conducted an overnight search operation near the international border in Samba district following information about movement of 3 armed persons. The information about the movement of the suspected persons in the Manohar Gopala area was received around 21:30 hours on Monday. Immediately, a joint search operation was launched by the army and the police, as terrorists in the past had used the route to sneak into the state from across the border. Terming Dogri as pride of the state as well as the nation, Professor Manoj Dhar, Vice-Chancellor, University of Jammu, called for more initiatives for propagating and popularizing the Dogri language while releasing the Dogri version of the Constitution of India. The Vice-Chancellor appreciated the sincere and dedicated efforts of the project team. It is pertinent to mention that this is the first Dogri edition of the Constitution of India. BJP National President Amit Shah will be on a 2-day visit to Jammu to review political scenario in view of parliamentary elections, party sources said on Tuesday. He will be holding meetings and deliberations with party karyakartas and state leadership ahead of parliamentary polls to finalize names of all 6 candidates contesting Lok Sabha polls. The Weather Office has forecast a fresh spell of rain and snowfall in the Kashmir Valley on Tuesday. Moderate snowfall is likely to occur in the valley from today afternoon. However, the intensity will get heavier on Wednesday, especially in the South Kashmir areas including the Pir Panjal mountain range, the Met Department said. Following the forecast, authorities have issued an alert advisory to various district magistrates in the valley. One-way traffic will continue on the strategic Jammu-Srinagar highway on Tuesday, the traffic department said. A department advisory, however, said that no vehicle will be allowed to move in from the opposite direction. The highway has remained open for one-way traffic since the last 3 days. Mamata Banerjee today declared a moral victory as the Supreme Court said Kolkata Police Chief Rajiv Kumar, who is at the heart of her indefinite protest sit-in against the central government, would not be arrested. But in what the central government described as a moral victory for the CBI, the court has ordered Kumar to appear on February 20 before the investigating agency in Shillong in Meghalaya, submit all evidence and cooperate with the probe into chit fund scams in Bengal. Harshdev Singh, chairman Jammu and Kashmir National Panthers Party, today reiterated his demand for separate elections for Assembly and Parliament in J&K and said that the claim of a shortage of security personnel is just an excuse. Reacting to the rumors of simultaneous polls and also assembly elections to be held after parliamentary elections, he said that 6 months long president rule ends on May 21 and as such the elections to state assembly should be held before the deadline. Fugitive liquor baron Vijay Mallya has decided to initiate appeal process after the UK Home Office approved his extradition to India on Monday. UK's Home Secretary on Monday signed an order approving that Mallya will be extradited to India to face trial for alleged fraud and money laundering amounting to Rs 9,000 crore. India has been pushing for the extradition of Mallya, who is wanted for loan frauds, money laundering and other economic offences. District Development Commissioner Budgam, Dr. Syed Sehrish Asgar, today urged Sarpanches and Panches to be ambassadors of change and be part of the electoral awareness generation of the system. These remarks were made by the DDC during an awareness program for Sarpanches, Panches and ward members of Budgam regarding EVM, held under systematic voter education electoral participation. Students of Central University of Jammu today held a protest against the administration of the university for hiking the bus fare. Hundreds of students of various streams and semesters today assembled on Main Road near the university campus and held a demonstration while raising slogans against the administration. The protesting students said that a circular has been issued by the administration of the university against the students' demand of rollback of bus fare hike.